Hey there, tech enthusiasts!
Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to give you the inside scoop. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Final Audio UX2000 wireless over-ear headphones. Are they worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. At Find Your Dream Home, first impressions matter, right? Well, the UX2000 may not win any awards in the looks department, but don't let that fool you. These headphones pack a punch where it counts. Straight out of the box, the UX2000 feels lightweight and portable, thanks to its foldable design. Perfect for tossing in your bag or keeping on your desk. But let's talk about what matters: sound quality. Despite their budget-friendly price tag, these cans deliver a surprisingly wide soundstage, strong bass, and decently crisp mids. Whether you're jamming to David Guetta or chilling with some Queen, the UX2000 holds its own. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the lack of fancy features. No wear detection, no app support, and non-adjustable hybrid ANC. But hey, for the price, it's a trade-off we can live with. Speaking of ANC, the UX2000 does a commendable job of blocking out background noise, making it perfect for your daily commute or work from home setup. Battery life is solid, offering up to 45 hours of playtime on a single charge. And with Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, you won't have to worry about annoying dropouts. Now, let's talk design. While the UX2000 may not turn heads with its plain style, its tactile buttons and foldable design make it a practical choice for everyday use. And when it comes to value, the UX2000 delivers where it counts: in sound quality and affordability. Sure, it may not have all the bells and whistles of its competitors, but it gets the job done without breaking the bank. So, should you buy the Final Audio UX2000? If you're looking for good sound on a budget, highly portable cans, or cheap ANC that gets the job done, then absolutely. But if you're after loads of features or a fashion statement, you might want to look elsewhere. And that's a wrap on our review of the Final Audio UX2000. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.